When U.S. Navy officials set out to design their new destroyer, they wanted a ship that would be tough to see on radar. They picked a radical new hull design with a knife-like bow. Nothing like the DDG 1000 hull has ever been built. Designed to minimize radar and heat signatures, the ship will be 600 feet long and 80 feet wide. With a draft of about 27 feet, the ship is intended to speed along at 30 knots. The inward sloping configuration is called a Tumblehome design. Navy engineers use a variety of models to run tests to determine that the hull is stable enough for the planned 14,500-ton warship. This Navy video of tank tests shows a conventional hull at the top of the split screen and the Tumblehome underneath it. The model demonstrates one virtue of the new design: it cuts more cleanly through water, requiring less power and less fuel. Here the Tumblehome hull model is entering rougher seas. It pitches, taking water over the bow, and the stern rises clear of the surface. A radio-controlled 30-foot 1/20th scale model was built for testing on open water. It heels as it takes a turn at a scaled 30 knots. The flight deck, the flat area after the superstructure, comes very close to the surface even in this calm water. The remote control model was tested on rougher waters in Chesapeake Bay. The test here simulates a quartering sea where the waves are coming at the ship from behind. This can be a vulnerability in all ships. Because of the large superstructure, the DDG 1000 is heavy down low to keep the ship upright, but this makes the destroyer stiff, that is prone to quick rolls, and that can be rough on a crew. For Defense News, this is Chris Cavas.